guys, I'm Johnny and today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious blueberry coffee cake. This cake doesn't taste like coffee, doesn't have any coffee in it, it's just a very delicious cake to have with a nice cup of coffee. It is so delicious, amazing, everybody loved it, and it has a really delicious streusel topping on top which is nice and crunchy. It is to die for. So keep on watching to learn how to make it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by making my cake first. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my softened butter, my white granulated sugar, and using a hand electric mixer, I'm gonna mix everything together until it is nice and fluffy. Make sure you don't over mix this, it just takes like a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds if your butter is nice and soft. After that, we're going to go ahead and add vanilla extra and add our eggs and mix them one at a time until well incorporated. Once you have added all your eggs, make sure you take your spatula, give it a nice scrape to make sure everything is well combined. And then we're going to go ahead and add our sour cream. But if you don't have sour cream, you can use plain Greek yogurt. That works just as fine, but I really like the flavor of the sour cream. It is very delicious. Also, we're going to go ahead and add some milk, mix together, and then we're going to go ahead and sift our dry ingredients. So I'm going to sift my all-purpose flour, my baking powder, my baking soda, and my salt. Whisk it all together in there, mix it until it forms a batter. So here I have my fresh blueberries, and with some flour. The reason I'm adding the flour is so that the blueberries get distributed evenly on the cake and doesn't sink to the bottom. Just mix them together and then you're going to go ahead and add those blueberries to your cake batter and gently fold them in. Make sure you do it gently so that they don't burst. So I'm just going to set that aside, and now I'm going to prepare my streusel topping, which is like seriously my favorite part. So in this bowl I have some all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and I'm just going to mix it all together. And after it's mixed, you're going to go ahead and add some melted butter and mix until the mixture looks like this. So here I have my springform pan. I am using an 8-inch springform pan that I line with parchment paper, and so I'm using an 8-inch, and the cake will be taller rather than wider. So, and that's why my blueberry didn't distribute evenly, but you can use a 9-inch, it will be better because I've done it, and you will have the blueberries all over your cake. So I'm just going to add the butter in there, and then I'm going to spread it evenly, and then we're going to sprinkle the streusel topping on top, and we're going to bake this at a 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. It really depends on your oven. Make sure you check it at the 40-minute mark, and if you see you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean, your cake is ready. So after the 40 minutes, my cake wasn't ready, but it was developing color. So what I did, I just took aluminum foil and I covered and then continued baking for an additional 25 minutes. So my cake actually 40 times, I'm so bad at math. My cake took 1 hour and 13 minutes to bake. So after that, I let it cool in the pan for 20 minutes. And then I remove it and allow it to cool in a cooling rack, and after that your cake is ready. So this is how it looks. It has a beautiful crunchy streusel topping on top. The cake looks amazing, so you just have to cut it and that's it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for a blueberry coffee cake. The recipe will be in the description box. I really hope that you get to try this recipe this weekend because it is amazing. It tastes so good. I love the fresh blueberries, the nice moist cake with a delicious crunchy topping on top. It is to die for. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.